Dajjal is a significant figure in Islamic eschatology, representing deception and trial. He is believed to appear before the Day of Judgment as a test for humanity. Islamic texts describe Dajjal with distinct physical traits, notably having only one eye. These texts also attribute extraordinary powers to Dajjal, enabling him to deceive people. Understanding Dajjal requires studying relevant Quranic verses and hadith. These sources detail Dajjal's emergence and the tribulations he will bring to the world. The emergence of Dajjal will be heralded by various signs and tribulations. These signs include widespread chaos and a decline in moral values. Trials of faith will become prevalent, testing the believer's resolve. Dajjal will exhibit deceptive miracles, misleading many individuals. Islamic teachings stress the importance of recognizing these signs and remaining steadfast in faith. The reign of Dajjal, characterized by deception, will end with the return of Prophet Jesus. Prophet Isa will defeat Dajjal near Jerusalem. According to Islamic eschatology, this defeat signifies a pivotal moment, marking the triumph of good over evil. The event also symbolizes the restoration of justice in the world. The defeat of Dajjal is a central belief in Islamic teachings about the end times.